put the owl pen back on the shelf.
On the shelf?
Yeah. Here, please. Come on.
On the shelf?
Thank you. Right here. Just put it back. Thank you. Good job. Okay, come sit down. We're going to finish the story. You want to see what happens to the fish, right? Where are we going? Hide it. Okay, come sit down.
Wait,
No,
I need time.
No, we need... Okay. Thanks, bud. Okay, so... Huh? We're gonna see what happens to the fish. Right? Don't you want to know? Okay. Here we are. Look at last. There, Otto, I said. This tub holds my father. This tub holds my mother, so it should hold you. But the tub did not hold him at all. He went right on growing. Oh, Otto, I said, what can I do now? Then crash, the door went down. Crash, Otto went down. I went down too. Oh, what a ride. Down went the water into the cellar, and down went Otto too. I had to do something fast. I grabbed the phone. I called the policeman. Help, help, I said. I fed my fish too much. Mr. Carp told me not to, but I did. What? Said the policeman. Mr. Carp told you not to, but you did? Too bad. I will come at once. So are these two talking to each other?
Because because they're not looking at each other.
They are. See?
Yeah.
Well, you know what? He's actually not looking at it because he's at home. Listen, he's at home and he's at the police station. So sometimes when people talk to each other, they're not always looking at each other. Like on the phone, when you talk to your mom or your dad or your friends, you can talk to me or whoever and I'll talk. So, but are they conversating? Look at their faces. Are they talking? Is he talking? How do you know? Look. How do you know Mr. Policeman is talking? How do you know he's talking? Can you tell? How do you know he's talking? Look. Let's try this again, buddy. How do you know he's talking? You said he's talking, right? Is he talking or is he not talking?
He's talking.
He is, right?
Because they're looking at each other.
Is his mouth open or is it closed?
It's open.
So, what does it mean when his mouth is open?
He's talking.
And what does it mean when his mouth is closed? What does it mean when his mouth is closed? What does it mean? Let's try this. What does it mean when his mouth is closed? Is he talking or not talking? What does it mean? Titus, we need to get this done. Come on. We did really good on this last week. We know all this. You had this down really good last week. You were telling me everything correctly. Are we listening today? You want to go play, right, with your friends and your toys? Okay. So as soon as we get this done, I'm going to let you play. But we need to get this done. Just the first part of this and we can play some games later, okay? Okay, is Mr. Policeman talking? You said he is, right? How do you know he's talking? Look at his face. How do you know he's talking? Are we listening to this? Are we going to answer? Okay. How do we know he's talking? How do we know he's talking?
Because he's looking.
And
Talking.
look at his face.
mouth's not open.
Is open. Good job. That's what I want to hear. Put your feet down, please. Thank you. His mouth is open. Remember we done this really, really good before. His mouth's open, so when you're, listen, when his mouth is open, you're talking, right? So if he was not talking, what should he be doing? Look at, if he was not talking on the phone, what should he be doing?
Looking.
No, and his,
Close.
close his mouth. Give me a high five. Good job. You know this stuff. His mouth should be closed when he's not talking, right? Good job. Okay. Let's find out what happened. The policeman came. My fish went that way, I said. He is down in the cellar. Look at the police.